Want to save money and learn about your car? Many basic car maintenance tasks are surprisingly easy to do yourself with the right guidance and modern technology. Modern smartphone apps with OBD2 scanners like Torque Pro, Blue Driver, and FixD can help diagnose issues professionally. YouTube tutorials from channels like Chris Fix and Scotty Kilmer provide step-by-step guidance for any repair. Start with simple tasks requiring no tools. You can replace cabin air filters, windshield wipers, light bulbs, and add fluids like washer fluid. These are perfect first projects to build confidence. With basic tools like a socket set, wrenches, oil pan, and jack, you can change oil and filters, replace batteries, check tire pressure, replace spark plugs on accessible engines, and replace air filters. As you gain confidence, you can move on to intermediate tasks like brake pad replacement, coolant flushes, and serpentine belt replacement. Always build your skills gradually. Remember these critical safety rules. Always use jack stands when working under a car. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first when working on electrical systems, and wait for the engine to cool before working on the cooling system. Safety should always be your top priority. Having the right tools is crucial for successful DIY car repairs. A basic toolkit should include several essential categories of equipment. Socket sets are fundamental for most automotive work. These impact sockets come in various sizes to fit different bolt heads and nuts throughout your vehicle. Your toolkit should also include screwdrivers, adjustable wrenches, and an oil drain pan with funnel for fluid changes. Jack stands are absolutely critical for safety. These adjustable stands provide stable support when working under your vehicle. Safety must always be your top priority when performing DIY repairs. The most important safety rule: never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use proper jack stands for stable support. Professional safety practices include wearing protective equipment, working on level ground, and following proper procedures for each repair. The economics of DIY repair are compelling. Professional labor rates have risen to $100 to $150 per hour, making DIY repairs increasingly attractive. The automotive landscape is changing rapidly. Electric vehicles require significantly less maintenance than traditional cars, with no oil changes and fewer moving parts. Digital resources have revolutionized DIY repair. Platforms like AllData DIY provide professional repair manuals and diagnostic information directly to home mechanics. The Right to Repair movement is working to ensure consumers have access to parts, tools, and repair information. This legislation aims to prevent manufacturers from restricting DIY repairs. Proper disposal of automotive fluids and parts is essential. Many components can be recycled, and used oil must be disposed of at certified recycling centers. Success in DIY repair comes from starting simple and building confidence gradually. Know your limits, prioritize safety, and don't hesitate to seek professional help for complex repairs.